the name for Bryn-y-Maen come from? So today I'm in a small village just south of Colwyn Bay up in the hills of Conwy County called Bryn-y-Maen. The name's made of three parts: Bryn, which means a hill, which means the, and Maen, which means stone. And the main feature of this town is this massive church behind me, which is called the Cathedral of the Hills. This church, the Cathedral of the Hills, was built in 1897 by Eleanor Frost in memory of her husband who died recently, Charles Frost, who was a wealthy businessman. And they lived together in Old Colwyn in Mynydon Hall, which is where Mynydon Park gets its name from. And he was most famous for funding the church in Old Colwyn, which he created because he didn't want to attend Welsh language services. Also, I'll show you something. From up here, you can see, just about over here, Ynyseriol, or Puffin Island, just off Anglesey. Anyway, diolch. Check out my Patreon, subscribe for more, share it with people who like this kind of thing. Have a good day.